Hi guys, this is Aditya Karadkar and welcome to the Brainstorm Codings. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the HTML5 and CSS3, and we are also going to install a text editor which we will use throughout this lecture or throughout the whole course. So let's start with HTML5. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and the 5 implies the fifth version of the HTML, which provides some latest features. And HTML tells the browser to display how to display the content of the website. So HTML is the foundation of creating all the websites. If you have seen the earlier websites which were created in 90s, then you can get to know that most of the websites were static. But as we have different kinds of features in HTML5, so we can make our websites more interactive. And by using HTML, we can structure the website, but we want to have some really cool styling to this website. So using HTML, we can add images to the website. We can have some different links to different web pages, or we can create some really cool forms, as most of the websites now have sign in and sign up pages. So you need to learn about creating the forms into your website, and we can have different six types of header files, types of header tags, I'm sorry. And we can create a paragraph. So these are all the things we are gonna be looking in this course, and I'll make sure I'll teach you all these things and help you out to be a good web developer. And we can add some really cool stylings to our website by using CSS. So CSS stands for cascading style sheets, and the 3 implies the third version of CSS as well. So CSS allows us to style our website in the way we want. So we can change the position of different elements. We can have borders around the elements. We can change the fonts. We can add some colors to the fonts, and we can have animations. We can have transitions. We can change the background color. We can change the resolution of images. So we can do anything with CSS if we want to style the website. So these are all things we are going to learn through this course. And for this course, we are going to use Notepad++ as a text editor. You probably heard about Notepad, or you most of you must have used the Notepad, the traditional Notepad, but the Notepad++ have some additional features which help us to create web pages. So if you want to download the Notepad++, then go to your browser, type the Notepad++ in search bar, and you will have this link for downloading the Notepad++. Just click on this link, and the latest version we have is 7.9.5. So I'm gonna go with this version, and based on the configuration of your system, whether it is a 32-bit system or a 64-bit system. I'm using Windows 10. Mine is a 64-bit system, so I'll go for the 64-bit version of Notepad++. And you will have different types of files you can download to your PC. You can have a zip file, and then you can extract it on your system, or you can just install a doc.exe file, a setup file of Notepad++. If you want to download any of them, just click on that link, and it will start downloading. I've already downloaded the Notepad++, so I don't need to. And after downloading, when the download is completed, just click on this setup file, and you probably need to give permission to your system to install this software. And you can choose the language you want. There are many languages, but I'm okay with English, so I'll go with it. Just click on the OK button after selecting the language. Click on the next, and you can read this agreement if you have time. And after reading this agreement, or after ignoring this agreement, you can click on I agree and continue through this process. So you can browse, you can select a different folder to install the software. I'm okay with this folder, so I'll go with it. Just click on the next button, and if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, then check this box and click on install. As you can see, this doesn't take so much time to install. Just click on the finish button and the process is completed. Now the notepad will open automatically, and you can create different files. In our case, we are going to create a .html or .css file, and I'll tell you about all these things: how to use Notepad++ and how to create files, how to display your web page on a browser. We'll talk about these things in the next lecture. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.